to start the day in London. This is my room. I'm staying in one of the lovely hotels in St. Paul's Cathedral area. And let me show you how my work day looks like while traveling to London office to work for Audible. Let's go. I'm getting ready for my breakfast and I might look very business oriented, but if you see people around me over the breakfast, you won't question why I look this way, because it's a big hotel and it's really full of people traveling from all around the world to London for their business. So that's why I'm checking my outfit, going quickly to get some breakfast, and will prepare myself to go to the office for my summit, second day of the summit happening in London office. It's really nice, but requires some extra energy. You still need to do some makeup afterwards. Going back to my room to get prepared for the work, and I have to say, this hotel smells so good. They really have some scents all around the place, and it's matching the scented products in the room as well. I feel like even after living in Berlin, London feels very hectic city. How do you know you are in London office? You have the TV. And it's 10 minutes for a small walk around the office area.
But honestly, I noticed last night that the price of
You see my tired face. Finally getting back home to change and go for a walk, because tomorrow I'm departing already from London back to Berlin. And this is my room, by the way. So I have big sleeping area. Let me put my bag here. I have some company as the view. The couch, the chair looks beautiful and very comfy. I would say I got some bunch of coffee. That's something that I brought from Berlin. And I also have here the area of the mini fridge and mini bar kind of thing. And here is my closet that comes with the ironing. By the way, it's not that common, to be honest. And here is little cute signs, so I don't really use those. I use those digital ones. Do not disturb and please clean. Very high tech. And here is the bathroom. Yeah, a little bit of mess since I was preparing myself to go for the office. And here I had some set of props and also some shower. And this smell, they everywhere use the noir that gives amazing smell around a whole building. So I love how they put intentional details here to get their marketing work for them. And I, as a marketing person, knows that it's for sure working in their benefits. But let me quickly take a break and get into the city to have some walk around and show you the city with me. How do you like my room, by the way? I find it cute, to be honest. Calming, but after Japan, it's hard to impress me, to be honest. Look at this view. So quick outfit check before I'm heating off. I just added another layer. Big Ben. By the way, the Big Ben is only the name of the clock. The tower itself called Elizabeth's Tower. Now, after 11 years living in immigration, getting my German pass, I finally made it. I finally come to see London, my biggest teenage inspiration. Let the dreams come true. This is so different to what we have in Berlin. To buy something for the good memory, but couldn't find anything that would stand out for me, so at least I tried. Seeing all those hectic traffic, here it is relaxed because it's very busy during the day. Look at this. It's not 9 p.m. Oh no, it's 8:45. Look at this. It's stunning. It's really beautiful. And I would say busy city, but it depends what you're comparing it to. And I'm almost home. It's time to finally relax. It was a really busy day. Finally, I'm back home and we'll take a little bit of relax, and I need to pack everything if I don't want to be rushed, because tomorrow I still have some meetings before I departure to the airport. It's busy to travel for work, but it's fun at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed my video. All the packing is done early morning, so now it's time to go to the office and right away back to Berlin. See you!